Hi guys, this is Ben. Today I'm in Dongguan City to take a look at a smart home showroom. Go! Here is the smart home showroom, fully automated with HDL. I am told that the users can control all the things inside this showroom with their mobile phone, wall panel. This is the HDL S10 Smart Panel. On S10 Smart Panel, you can control all the things inside your house, apart from curtains, music, lights, and also the scene control. For example, we can have the bright mode here. So one touch and all the lights inside your living room, your kitchen would be on. To my surprise, there is a Nest thermostat here. Yeah, I think you are familiar with this device. So it controls all the air conditioning system inside this house. And this is the HDR granite display. On this display, same function but different style. So one panel for all features and devices. The greatest benefit would be like for some people who wish a minimum design. You don't have to install an extra thermostat here. You don't have to install rows of light switches here. Easy, quick, and powerful. Beautiful too. Many people would be curious about the function and features a whole home solution can offer to users. So here we can see all the things like the control on curtains, lights, air conditioning, music with different user interfaces such as the smart wall panel and also your mobile app. And also, apart from control, you can also check all the data about your environments such as the air quality. You can see the PM 2.5 value right in front of me, the Huawei TV. So all the data is from the air quality sensor from HDL, that is AirKit. So when the air quality level reaches to a certain level, the ventilation system can be automatically turned on. In some cases, whole home solution also covers home cinema, bedroom, bathroom, and other areas of a home.